every lead in your CRM gets treated the same, good leads are going to slip through the cracks. That is not a lead problem. That is a lead segmentation problem. In this video, we'll talk about lead segmentation and how to do it using GoHighLevel. Most businesses do not lose leads because the leads were bad. They lose them because every contact gets dumped into one big messy list. Hot leads, cold leads, booked calls, form submissions, no-shows, past customers, all mixed together like a junk drawer full of business cards. And when your CRM is messy, your follow-up gets messy. You send the wrong message, follow up too late, or miss the best leads completely. That is where lead segmentation comes in. Lead segmentation is simply organizing your contacts based on who they are, what they did, and where they are in your sales process. A brand new lead who just filled out a form should not get treated the same as someone who already booked a call. A past customer should not get treated the same as a cold lead from 6 months ago. When you segment your leads properly, you can see who is hot, who needs nurturing, and who should stop getting the same generic follow-up as everyone else. Lead segmentation helps you match the right follow-up to the right person. This is where GoHighLevel Smart Lists come in. Smart Lists let you filter your contacts based on specific details, actions, or conditions. Instead of digging through your entire contact list like you are looking for a wrench at the bottom of a toolbox, you can create lists that show exactly who you need to focus on. Now, your CRM is not just storing contacts, it is helping you work smarter. So, here's how to set one up. First, go to Contacts on the left menu. From there, click Add Smart Lists. Next, give your smart list a clear name. Name it based on the group you want to track. Then it is time to add your filters. Click Advanced Filters. Then choose the filter or filters you want to use. This tells GoHighLevel which contacts should appear in this smart list. You can select one filter or stack multiple filters depending on how specific you want the list to be. If you want the contact to meet all conditions, click Add Nested Filter. If you want the contact to meet at least one condition, click Add Filter. Need to remove a filter? Click the trash icon. Once your filters look right, click Apply. After that, you can choose how your contact details appear. Click Sort By. Then move a field up by clicking the arrow icon next to the field name. Once the order looks good, click Apply. Next, manage your fields. Go to the Fields section. You can drag fields to organize them. Uncheck fields you do not want to show, and click a field category to add more options. You can also add custom fields if you need to track something specific for your business. Once everything looks clean, click Apply. Finally, click Create. Now you have a smart list that helps you find the right leads faster. Follow up with more context and stop treating every contact like they are in the same bucket. Better lead segmentation helps you see the right people, send the right message, and stop letting good opportunities slip away. And with GoHighLevel Smart Lists, you can build that system without overcomplicating it. Check the links in the description to start using GoHighLevel today. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more simple marketing tutorials, and check out Lightning IM for more ways to clean up your marketing and follow-up process.